Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do a fun get ready with me using all my favorite Chanel products. But I do first want to thank Julie Balerno. She is a subscriber and she was so sweet. She sent me a little Christmas present. It included 2 products that have been on my list to get. First is a single shadow and it is in Talpa. And this has been on my list to pick up for a very long time. And she probably knew I would absolutely love this one, right up my alley. And then there is this beautiful lipstick that sold out and I have been trying to get my hands on it for the longest time. And that is from the Chanel Coco Flash line, one of my favorite lines. And that is the color 154 Douceur. And this is just the most beautiful nude shade and it sold out immediately. I have been trying to track this down for a bit of time. So I just want to take a moment to say thank you so much, Julie. This meant the world to me. I am so excited about these products. I just wanted to thank you and everyone for all the love and support. You guys are amazing and I just really appreciate the give and take on my channel. And I just want to let you know that I'm very grateful for all your support and love, and I'm really looking forward to 2022. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look today using my favorite Chanel products, some of these were launched in 2021, but there are a few products in here that are just my staples that I would recommend to anyone. So if you're interested in seeing how I created this look, then let's go ahead and get started. Okay, let's put some makeup on this face. Okay guys, this is a full face of Chanel favorites. Clearly we could be here all afternoon if I was sharing all of my favorite Chanel lipsticks, but I did list below a few of my absolute favorites in the description box, so you can take a peek at those. And I just wanted to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and I'm so looking forward to 2022.